19. Hey guys, today is Jaime's birthday. I'm gonna go to the store and get him a few things. Fun fact about me, I like to do things at the last minute apparently. I'm a bad driver too. So I just came from Party City so I could get him some balloons. I always forget how small his car is. So it's like crushing me. I don't know what to do. I can't even see over there.
Okay guys, so like check this out. My girlfriend, you know, she took the camera. She went to go like buy stuff, I guess. She came in my room, surprised me with all those balloons. It's my birthday, okay? Baby, it's my birthday.
Your birthday!
Yeah, it's my birthday. I looked at the camera and the camera was off. So we didn't get that footage, I'm sorry. But so you guys missed the reaction. Today is my birthday. I'm 19 years old. So for this very important day, we are gonna be doing 19 challenges, 19 times for my 19th birthday. Also, I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in almost a week. I've been busy with my birthday, my vending machine business, and also this video took way too long to edit and film. So I really do hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's get right into it. Putting 25 quarters in 25 random candy machines. Pretty much every single candy machine has a quarter. Now the next person that comes up and wants something, they got it for free. Literally every machine. Oh, I think they got it. I think they got it. Come on, just turn it. How does he not see the quarters? That little kid literally went through every single machine and they didn't even see the quarters. Found the quarters. Oh, they turned it. Oh, he just got one. Getting 19 eggs thrown at me. Oh, somebody doing it too hard. That's all? Giving away $19 to a random person. You want $19? I'm 19 today, so you know I'm just giving away $19 to somebody random.
Yeah.
You want it? Here you go. You got a joke? No? It's my birthday, so you know just giving it away back. Yeah. Oh my god, that was so awkward. Okay guys, so right now I'm at my girlfriend's house. I'm about to pick her up. I'm gonna be ignoring my girlfriend for 19 minutes. This is hella dangerous, okay? Because if you guys know, if you have a girlfriend, you can't ignore her for more than like 5 seconds or you're dead. So like I said, I'm outside her house right now. She's gonna come inside the car and I'm not gonna say nothing for 19 minutes. We're supposed to be going out to eat right now and the place is like 20 minutes away. So for the whole way, I'm not gonna say nothing. So hopefully she doesn't get too mad. Okay guys, she's coming, she's coming. I'll put the camera right there.
Hi, baby. Does that hurt? Hello? Hey, your ear's dirty.
Okay guys, so we just got here. It's been about, I think a little bit over 19 minutes actually. She's not talking to me no more. She was talking to me at first. I think she was only talking to me for like the first like 3 minutes, and then after that she just gave up. Are you mad at me? We are gonna be fitting 19 gumballs in my mouth. Cutting a grape 19 times. Next challenge, doing 19 push-ups. Telling my girlfriend I hate her 19 times. I'm just playing. Telling her I love her 19 times. I love you. I love you. I love you.
9.
5. 6. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you.
16.
12. And I love you. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you cut a grape 19 times. 19. Oh.
19.
Oh.
You can't? Why not?
but that is how you fit 19 gumballs in your mouth. No, I didn't cheat. So don't start asking questions. I did it, as you guys can see. It looks pretty nasty. Don't look at it actually.
Ew.
Don't look at it. Baby, I feel like I deserve like a world record. I fit 19 gumballs in my mouth. I did. You saw the video. The video does not lie. Why you always throwing stuff at me? Next challenge, buying 19 things from a vending machine. As you guys can see, we got these vending machines right here, and we're just gonna get 19 things. So we get drinks also, or they have hummus? Oh, no way. 15 snacks and then 4 drinks. We're gonna need some detergent also. I completely forgot we were getting drinks also, so we got 16 items, so all we need is 3 drinks. For sure I'm gonna get a hummus. What are you gonna want? The Hawaiian punch? There, we got 19 items out of the vending machine. Let's go, baby. We got everything from Rice Krispies, we got goldfish, Cheez-Its, crackers, literally everything a dream could wish of. We might even do the consuming 1900 calories.
You said a dream could wish of?
No, a dream every kid. I don't know. Okay, I don't know. What are we supposed to do with all this now? We have so many stuff.
I can eat it.
Of course. As you guys can see, we completed this challenge. Now let's go on to the next one. Alright, promoting my merch for 19 seconds. Guys, if you want to go buy merch, we got hoodies, we got shirts, we got tank tops, we got sweatshirts. Go click the link down below in the description. Go buy one, go cop one. It's gonna be limited time only until we hit 100,000 subscribers. And if you do buy one, as soon as you get it, take a picture with it, send it to me on Instagram, and I will be picking out a few people that send me a picture, and I will be giving you a shout out in one of my videos. So go right now. Next challenge, 19 shots of tequila. Alright, you guys. For the next challenge, I'm going to be wearing 16 pieces of clothing. I already have 3. I got a shirt, I got pants, and under the pants, I got
Socks.
Under my pants?
Yeah.
Okay, I got socks, pants, and a shirt, okay? Ew. I'm gonna put that in the video.
No. Oh, my baby's toes. I don't want to show them because only I get to see them.
Alright, baby, how do I look? Looks good?
Sexy.
Now this is how you dress up, guys. Check it out. I got about 2 jackets on, like 5 shirts, 5 shorts, 2 pants. Baby, it's hot. I'm gonna die. This challenge was pretty dumb. Basically, all the challenges we did today were dumb, baby. And by the way, since we're talking about clothing, go to bonfire.com/JaimeIbanez. Go check out the shirts, go check out the hoodies.
Didn't we already do the 19 seconds of promotion?
Alright, baby, what's next? 19 seconds underwater? Baby, I'm in jail. Can you please help me?
Hurry up before you are. Just jump in. Go. That wasn't the deep side.
That it is way too cold.
Really?
Okay, like as you guys saw, I was not in the pool for 19 seconds because the water was so cold. I feel like if I stayed any longer inside, I would get like, babe, what do you call it? Like hypothermia? Like, by the way, you guys might be wondering, Jaime, why would you jump inside the pool with your pants and your shirt on? Trust me, guys, I was gonna jump inside without my shirt, without my pants, but my girlfriend didn't let me, okay? She got mad. She didn't want you guys to see me without a shirt.
Or anybody?
The next challenge is you guys have to get this video to 19,000 comments. If you guys are able to do that, I would actually give away this soda machine. I'm 100% sure that's not gonna happen just because 19,000 comments is a ton of comments, but it's all up to you guys. If you guys want a chance to win that soda machine, I would actually ship it. Like, it's gonna be hella expensive, maybe like $500 just to ship the soda machine. I told you guys in the video when I got it if you guys want me to destroy it, and you guys said no, which I'm not sure why. I think that would be a pretty good video if I destroy the machine. So again, if you guys want me to give it away, get this video to 19,000 comments and you might be a winner. Getting punched 19 times. Have you started punching me? I'm just playing. Oh, why are you punching me so hard? What did I do to you? Switch it up somewhere else on my arm too. How many is that? Okay, that's 19. That's 19. Oh. Come here.
Oh, you actually punch hard.
Come here. Alright everyone, so that is gonna be pretty much it for the video. Also, I know this is something completely different than what I normally post, but you know, it was my birthday. I wanted to try something new to see if you guys would like it. I do want to make my channel more personal. That's why the previous videos have been like challenges and vlogs. So again, let me know what other videos you guys want to see, and I'll see y'all in the next video.